Hello, friends. Here is an interesting question to you. What happens when a computer has to choose the best from thousands of possibilities? Actually, to answer this question, you must know the basic process of your computer. Our computer processes things one by one, one, two, three, four, and n. One by one they process. Obviously, it takes a lot of time. It is a very inefficient process. But according to the real life requirements and all that, sometimes thousands of possibilities should be evaluated to choose the best answer, best possibility. For that purpose, what is the solution? Quantum computers is the solution. At a time, it can process simultaneously, it can process 10,000 possibilities. But this technology is very new and it is evolving. And you need not become master over that. But only thing is, you first get the basic knowledge, and every time you have to update your. For this purpose, you need not become a quantum computing engineer and all that. Acquiring knowledge and their updating is very important in the current world. In order to enable you to understand this concept deeper, I give you two examples. One is logistic industry, second one is share portfolio. In logistic industry, for example, a truck has to go thousands of kilometers by crossing 10 states and 50 plus cities and towns. So, in this connection, one has to choose the best route. Best route means there are many factors, many influencing factors. What are those factors? Just I give a simple list. Now, one is route. Actually, express highways are there, local roads are there. Express highways, if you use express highways, you have to pay toll charges and all that. If you use local roads and all that, the roads are not good. They take a lot of time, and fuel consumption is also more. Thereafter, regulations. As far as government regulations are concerned, there are different checkposts and all that. At each checkpost, state to state, then a lot of time is wasted. Thereafter, environment. Actually, climatic conditions are different from area to area, region to region, and all that. If it is heavy rainfall and all that, the truck cannot go fastly and all. You should take a halt also. Thereafter, operational. Operation also, many issues are there. Actually, truck servicing, the repair, fuel availability, etc. are there. And if those are not available, suppose a mechanic is not available whenever some problem comes, that should be halted. So, thereafter, safety. Certain routes are not safe and secure. So, all these are influencing factors. Subject to all these factors, there are, if you see that, there are around 20 points. Subject to all these possibilities, best should be chosen. So, ordinary computer cannot do that. In such cases and all that, to select the best route, then the quantum computing is required. By that, a lot of saving is there. Saving in fuel, saving in time, saving in truck depreciation, etc. and all that. And second best example, portfolio. Share portfolio means you invest in shares of many companies and all that. Every company is having its pros and cons and all. But those are affected by many factors, influencing factors. That is, company's performance, company's product, that industry's position. Actually, your company may be good, but the industry position is bad. Bad. Industry cannot make exports and all that. Like industry features you have to do. And external features. External means governmental policies and other export policies, etc. and all that are there. Thereafter, global features you have to take into consideration. These are all these features cumulatively influence on the product and its profitability and all that. So, in such case, in your portfolio, there are 100 company shares of 100 companies. So, ultimately, every company share should contribute to your profitability. So, how many calculations should be made for an ordinary traditional computer is almost impossible or it takes a lot of time. As far as quantum computing is concerned, it can give instant results because traditional computer computes one by one. But as far as quantum computing is concerned, all at a time. At once, it compute all the issues and it gives a result instantly. In order to understand the complexity in this issue, focus on this logistic issue. Here, truck should pass through 50 cities or towns and all that. How many influencing factors are there? Route factors are there, regulatory factors are there, environment factors are there, operational factors are there, safety factors are there. There are around 20 factors are there. Subject to all these factors, the best route should be chosen. It's really challenging. Our traditional computers cannot do that. They are overwhelmed. So we can say it's almost impossible for a traditional computer. But a quantum computer can resolve it because in quantum computing, it is not one by one process. Whatever factors are there, all that are evaluated at a time. That's why it can deliver instant result. That difference you have to practically understand. One thing I'm telling you, if you don't understand the complexity of a problem, you never care for the result. That's why focus on this issue. And whenever you have to explain, take this example and you can impress 100% impress others. In order to enable you to understand the difference between traditional computing and quantum computing, I give you a simplest example. You can explain to anybody in no time they can understand. In a library, there are million books, 1 million books. In one of the books, there is a golden ticket. It should be discovered. That is a task. In traditional computing, what happens? One by one, first book, second book, third book, fourth book, millionth book are to be checked. So in this case, in the worst case, how many books are to be checked? Million books are to be checked. It takes years. But quantum computer, the process is different. Now see the quantum computing process. In this process, all million books are checked at once, at a time, simultaneously. Then that is the smartness of the quantum computer. With a simple example, we are able to know the difference between traditional computing and quantum computing and the superiority of the quantum computing over traditional computing. In quantum computing process, a technique known as interference is used that we have to understand practically. Technically, in not let now, practically understand. Now we take waves technique. Waves are one set of waves are moving this side, and other set of waves are moving this side. They conference and they are merged. Ultimately, the result is zero. Actually, there are confronting possibilities are there, and the ultimate effect will become zero. And other thing is there, a wavy like this, and another wavy like this, another wavy like this. All are flowing, moving towards one direction. Ultimately, when they merged and all that, then they become stronger. So this type of possibility, competing possibilities are nullified. Their effect will be zero. Wherever certain possibilities moving in the same direction, then they are merged and all that, it will be strengthy, it becomes a strengthy wave. This is a simple technique. You can understand like this only. By that, you can understand, you can imagine the power of quantum computing. Where quantum computing matters. Actually, certain domains, complex and high level problems are there. They should be resolved using quantum computing. Those are, for example, drug discovery. And drug discovery and all that, many elements are there to discover a right drug. Thereafter, financial modeling. Already I told you one example, portfolio. Thereafter, climatic situation. Climatic situation, various possibilities are there, hundreds of possibilities are there. Then the solution should be found out. Thereafter, advanced security. In all these, many other are there. Just for your information sake, I am introducing few domains. As I told you already, quantum computing is evolving. It is gradually advancing. That's why prepare for the future. Just understand the basics and time to time you update your knowledge regarding this. That's it.